I've heard the question before, what subject can you pass without having to study? And chemistry was that subject for me. Very early on, I was always interested in science. When I got to high school, I excelled in chemistry. I veered off the path for a while and came back to it, realizing that that was really my first true love. What I love most about the work I do has nothing to do with chemistry and everything to do with people. That's what really fuels me. It's a part of my DNA, and that's the type of leader I am, people first, always. When I think about climate change, I think about my legacy and my family's legacy. I think about not just myself or my child, but my children's children. Every little bit goes a long way. I try to be very conscious of what I'm doing and also what I'm teaching my child. I don't want the passion, the love for the earth to stop with me. I want it to be passed down for generations. I want to be a good neighbor, and I want to not only protect the climate for myself, but also protect the climate for my neighbors, for my family, for everyone. If we take care of the earth, it will take care of us.